2 months ago, fresh photos emerged. Wade Wilson, the so-called Deadpool killer, now gaunt, nearly toothless, unrecognizable behind bars. Convicted in June 2024 for strangling Christine Melton and Diane Ruiz in Florida, Wilson is on death row. His trial exposed disturbing details. On October 7, 2019, he met Melton at a bar, strangled her in her sleep. Hours later, lured Ruiz, strangled and ran her over. He told authorities he'd do it again. Defense argued brain trauma from past injuries impaired his judgment. Prosecutors countered. Drug abuse was the real trigger. Despite the brutality, Wilson amassed a disturbing fan base: letters, money, even explicit photos, fueling controversy over celebrity killers. Now behind bars and awaiting a Florida Supreme Court appeal, Wade Wilson's Deadpool nightmare continues. What will come next?